Forgetting how to write a Chinese character is quite common, even among native speakers. The frustration is universal, so don't feel so bad about yourself. Our memories work better when we link what we have learned. There are around 3,000 frequently used Chinese characters. Overwhelming, right? That's why we need to study smart. Learning Chinese radicals will help you relate the meaning of the character. When learning new characters, you can try to make stories about the characters. How? Let me give you examples. The first example consists of two Chinese radicals in the top 20 list. 图 means mud and 人 means a person. What are they doing? Two people are sitting on the ground. 坐 is to sit. Chinese radical 人 is in two forms. The original form is 人, while 人 is on the left side of the characters. It transformed into 人. 山 means mountains, and the shape of 山 looks like mountains. So how about this character? Let's guess its meaning. A person in the mountains is 仙, which is immortal. You may imagine becoming a 仙. You'll need to meditate in the mountains. It requires practice, and it will become much simpler after some time. You'll be able to expand your Chinese once you know the characters. Try to make up stories that help you remember them. It would be even better if you added the sound of the characters. If you want to know more about Chinese radicals, here's a video. I'll remind you of the top 20 Chinese radicals. See you again soon. Bye bye.